I got my
everybody.
voice back.
Today I'm gonna be playing Royal High. So today I'm gonna play Rainy Day. So I'm playing with her. So the round already started, so I already knew I was gonna lose. So it doesn't really matter. So today I'm gonna be playing Rainy Day in Royal High. It's my first time playing, but I've been playing for 2 hours straight, so of course I'm already leveled up and have 2,000 coins, but I will be posting more Royal High videos. So let's get started into the video. So you already know I already lost, so I already got my dorm set up. It's pretty ugly, but I'll get it fixed soon, so all of that set up. So let's see. I'm gonna get my food up. So I think I'm just gonna switch it up. To be honest, I think I just broke the game. So I think I broke the game. So yeah. So apparently she's gonna explain it to me. So I'm gonna hang it up. So. Okay, so apparently she's explaining it to me. So let's get started into the video since we already started the video like 1 minute ago. Let's go ahead and go into it. So, of course, I got an F because I wasn't really paying attention because it's very good. So I'm gonna try to win the round. So, okay, it already started and I lost apparently. Oh, there's one more seat. Okay, I wasn't wrong. I didn't go out. So. Okay, there's one more spot. I didn't lose. That's very lucky. And if I level up to level 10, I get 300 coins. And no, I do not have any Robux. I'm broke. I only have 2 Robux. Tomorrow I might have lots of coins. Tomorrow I'm gonna post again tomorrow. Another Royal High video because you might like it again. So. Okay, so. Oh yeah. Come on, no. Some stupid people just took my spot. Whatever. And I'm feeling all better. I'm all better, so I'm so excited to get my voice back. So
I suck.
I'm back to not being sick anymore. So yeah, I've been sick for a while. I didn't know why. Apparently, Corona is coming back, so I'm getting flu shots. I'm so scared. Okay, I love her avatar. Sit. Girl, what? Sit. I'm gonna. Oh. Okay. Instead of doing that, I will see you. No. I love Royal High, in my opinion. Some people think it's boring, but I don't know why. It's actually pretty fun. I don't know why y'all think it's pretty boring, but I love it. Okay, you're not gonna look up that. Honestly, of course I was good at these because usually I actually did these in school. Apparently, I don't know why, but I don't know what I did, but I swear I got the same answer as my friend, and she literally got an A plus. Maybe the teacher just didn't see right, so maybe she thought I was cheating off the test. Yeah. Usually I like doing this so I can know when I feel like it's gonna go black. All black. Okay, y'all stole my spot. No. Okay, so I thought I was out. I was good. I was so close. I'm scared it might stop somewhere and I won't get the chair. Okay, I'm lucky. Gee, she's tall. She's literally blocking my way, I swear.
1 hour later.
Okay, I'm lucky. Wait, what if I actually make it? Okay. I actually love. Oh my god. No, never mind. I'm gonna forget saying that. I feel like I'm gonna get a D or like an E. Can you even get E's? I miss the old Royal High. I used to play Royal High on my old account, but it got hacked, so I miss the old Royal High with the smoothie where you make smoothies and stuff, so apparently some of y'all don't remember that, so because y'all just joined the game. I'm not new to the game, I joined in 2016 actually. I joined Roblox in 2017, got Roblox in 2016, got more and more. Now I'm in Royal High, so and if you want to my actual name, it's Vivi. That's why my name is Vivi right there, so that's just my YouTube name is just like, it's just a random name, so yeah. Now on this YouTube account, I post videos more. I just had to get I just was in the hospital, so that's why I haven't been posting a lot. Oh my god, I'm actually so laggy. I knew I did, yeah. Level up 84. My arm actually hurts because I've been on this game for like maybe 3 or 2 hours, but I don't know. Okay. So after this, next, what, girl? Yeah. We'll do one more round and then we'll end this video. Okay. That was a close one. I was actually got scared. It was second. My heart stopped for a second. Guys, I couldn't upload that video with maybe, so I couldn't. No. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys love this video. If you want more Royal High videos, like this video, so I would know if you like it or not. So then I'll make more Royal High videos. Apparently, I love Royal High, so I'm gonna make more. So, okay. Who just did that? Who said that? That's inappropriate. But have fun, guys. I hope you guys like content. So, bye, guys. I'm gonna be posting more Roblox content. Bye. Say bye. And yeah, bye, guys. How many times have I said bye? But actually, bye. Have a great day and stay safe. And I hope for the people who had hurricanes are safe. And bye.